Hello, I'm Manuel Gonzalez, real estate agent with Florida RealtorMannyMiami, and I'm joined today by...
Maria Balloveras, and I'm with Equitable Mortgage Investors.
I have it here today to help me clarify some of the misconceptions going out in the home financing area. I'm going to dive right in, Mari, and ask you, first-time buyers program, what is it and how do you qualify for that?
First-time buyers program is really what I recommend is the FHA product, and that's with 3.5% down, and you're going to have assistance towards closing as 3 to 5,000, sometimes even 7. It is based on a case-by-case scenario. It's based on their credit score, the property they're buying, the percentage they're giving down. Obviously 3.5 is minimum, but you can give more should you want to. So I highly recommend that. They also allow you can have more debt. Usually first-time buyers are not familiar with saving money or how to handle credit card debt. So that's what you want to use a FHA for. They'll be more lenient and they'll help you qualify easier.
Awesome.
You can also do it, sorry, I also want to let you know, you can also go conventional, which is 3% down, but they are more stricter towards your credit score, not like the FHA, and they are more stricter towards your debt and income.
Okay. And that was the second question I had was
Yeah.
conventional loans, because I know there's a lot of misconception from the mortgage crisis back in 2008, 2009 that you needed 20, 30% down.
No.
So that's not the case today.
Not at all. The only good thing about the 20% down is that you will avoid the mortgage insurance. If you do get a conventional loan with 3% down to start, once the value goes up within the 20% or you have paid your mortgage 20% less, it will automatically remove the mortgage insurance, whereas with an FHA, it'll be there for life. You'd have to refinance and go from an FHA to a conventional loan to remove that.
Got it. Okay, that's good. And the third question I had was move-up buyers. So these are buyers that currently own a home but are looking to sell that home and purchase a new home. So what's the case with this? Do they have to sell their home, have the cash in the bank before they purchase, or is it something they could do simultaneously?
It depends. If they qualify with buying a new home and the old home doesn't hurt them in any way financially, they'll qualify for the new home, and we'll know that the second home is being, it's going to be selling soon. It'll be a pending sale. Also, if not, you can just do pending sale, that the proceeds of that sale is what's going to be used towards the new home. So in that case, you want to sell your home first, and then the bank, you need to wait at least a week so you can have your HUD-1, your closing statement, and everything that's notarized and signed so they know it's official, and therefore you send it to the lender so they know that you no longer have that debt anymore. You only are going to be paying for one mortgage payment, not two.
Got it. Okay. So if somebody's interested in moving forward and doing a loan, what's some of the things that they would need to have ready?
These days it's really simple. Pretty much a lot of people don't even come to the office anymore. They do everything online, which I like it because it helps them be mobile in their job, whatever they're doing.
Right.
I mean, I've had a professor in FIU at one time. He was on his honeymoon. He sent me all the documents via email. He was very computer literate. I qualified him. He didn't have to leave. Then later when we closed, we had a good conjunction of all the parties, including the closing agent. And I even did his closing while he was on a family vacation. So thank God for them going online. But what you always need to get started, I say this is a simple rule, 222, meaning the last 2 years of the taxes, which is the income tax documents, the W-2s, all the pages, W-9s, 1099s if you're self-employed. So it all varies according to how you pay yourself. And then 2, the last 2 pay stubs if you get paid bi-weekly on the 15th and the 30th.
Okay.
If you get paid weekly, then I would need 4 checks. And if you get once a month, 1. We just want to cover the last month of your pay stub. And then the last 2 months of your bank statements, savings, 401k, any account you have with someone, and all the pages, very important. We want to see all the pages. You submit that to me or via email, a copy of your driver's license, obviously, and a social security card. That's to help prevent any fraud out there. If you're a resident or, you have also your passport that can be used as evidence. So it's very simple. You email it to me, and I qualify you instantly, and then I pass it on to Man.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Mari, I want to thank you for joining me today to help me clear some of these misconceptions and questions that people had. If anybody has general questions about home buying or home financing, you can comment. We'll get back to you. We'll answer that. If you have specific questions about your current situation, you can reach out to us. Our contact information will be listed below. And again, Mari, I want to thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, Manny. It is my pleasure. I just want everyone to know Manny is a true professional. He has worked with many clients and he has referred. He's top-notch from beginning to end. He makes sure everything is done accurately, correctly. We always attend the closing, shake your hand, and say thank you for everything you've done with us. So Manny is wonderful. You're in great hands, And I highly look forward to working with all of you in the very, very near future.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Again,
you.
Manuel Gonzalez, real estate agent with Florida Realty Miami.
Maria Balloveras with Equitable Mortgage Investors.
Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.